What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up Brother L5215DW printer and download or install drivers. So first of all, open browser and then search here printer. Now click on official website and here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. After install your printer driver, then go back and open settings. Now click on printer and scanner and click on add device. Now click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.